Hello guys, welcome to Study Hacks. Today we will see CBSE Standard 10th Maths, Chapter number 3, Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variable. Exercise 3.2, question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equals to mx plus 3. This question is for 3 to 4 marks in board exams. You can see similar questions in previous board exams. So this is one of the most important question and you have to prepare this well. Now we will find the solution of this question. Solution given is 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. This is our first equation. 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. This is our second equation. One more equation is given to us. Y is equals to mx plus 3. Here we have to find the value of m. Okay. This is our third equation. So, firstly we will find the value of x, then we will find the value of y, and then we will put the values in this third equation and then we will get the value of m. Let's see how to solve it. 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. 2x is equals to 11. Put this to the right hand side. Minus 3y. X is equals to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. This is the value of x in terms of y. This is our fourth equation. Now, put equation 4 in equation 2. We get 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Put the value of x. 2 into 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Write the remaining equation as it is. Okay. Here 2 11s are 22 minus 2 3s are 6y upon 2 minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Now cross multiply to equalize the denominator. 22 minus 6y into 1 minus 4y into 2 by, because here denominator is 1, so 2 into 2, 2 into 1 is equals to minus 24. Solve this. 22 minus 6y minus 2 4s are 8y, 2 1s are 2 is equals to minus 24. Now put this 2 to the right hand side. 22 minus 6y minus 8y is equals to minus 24 into 2. Now solve this and put this to the right hand side and solve this also. Minus 6 minus 8 becomes minus 14y is equals to 24 to minus 24 to the minus 28 minus 22 minus 14y is equals to 48 22 minus minus you have to add and give negative sign. 4 5 6 7 70 minus 70. So y is equals to minus 70 upon minus 14. Minus minus sign gets cancelled. 14 1s are 14 5s are 70. So therefore the value of y is 5. Now you have the value of y. You have to put this value in equation 1. Put y is equals to 5 in equation 1. We get 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. This was our first equation. So 2x plus 3 into 5 is equals to 11. 2x is equals to, solve it and transfer it to the right hand side, minus 15. 3 5s are 15. 2x is equals to minus 4. X is equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is equals to minus 2. Now this is the value of x and this is the value of y. We have both the values. Now put the values of x and y in equation 3. This was our third equation. Y is equals to mx plus 3. The value of y is 5 and the value of x is minus 2 plus 3 as it is. 5 is equals to, solve this, minus 2m plus 3. Transfer this 3 to the left hand side. 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 2m. 2 is equals to minus 2m. So I will rearrange this equation. M is equals to 2 upon minus 2 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So m is equals to minus 1. This is the value of m. I hope you have understood. So practice it well. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thanks for watching.